We guide you through how to fix battery draining fast. So the first thing you need to do is to open settings, tap battery, then check which apps are using the most power. If you notice an app draining your battery, force it, update it, or uninstall it if you don't need it. Next, go to settings, battery, and enable power saving mode when your battery is running low. Lower your screen brightness or turn on adaptive brightness and reduce your screen time out to 30 seconds. Turn off features you aren't using, such as Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, and mobile hotspot. Then go to Settings, Apps, and Restrictions Background Battery Usage for apps you rarely open. Make sure your phone, all your apps are updated since software updates often included battery optimization improvements. If the issue started after a recent update, restart your phone or swipe the system cache using recovery mode if you're comfortable doing so. You should also disable always on display if you don't use it and switch your display to the standard refresh rate if your model support higher refresh rates. And finally, if your Samsung battery is still draining unusually fast after trying these steps, check your battery health through the Samsung member app or visit Samsung Service Center as aging battery may need to replace.